This time, we use Copilot to understand how the participants of a recorded conversation are feeling based on what they say. I'm going to use a transcript to summarize the sentiment of an individual seeking care and support. This time, my source is a transcript created during a Microsoft Teams meeting. It's a record of what was said, saved in a Word document. I'm going to use this file to ask Copilot to assess how people were feeling during the meeting. To get started, I'm going to Copilot chat, and I'll start by telling Copilot what my goal is. I write, create a summary of how the individual seeking care and support is feeling during an interview that they attended. Next, I point Copilot to my transcript and write, use this file, which is a transcript of my conversation with the individual seeking care and support. I also need to tell Copilot which file my transcript is in, so I add a /, pick it by choosing Files, and then I type the name of the file in the search box. And then to finish off, I want to tell Copilot my expectations, or how I want to see the results. So I add, use simple language with a professional tone of voice that I can use for an official care and support assessment. When I send the prompt, Copilot returns a summary of how the interviewee was feeling. With this prompt, a social care worker can quickly assess how the individual seeking care and support was feeling during the call and understand how they can support them.